nice for supper? Picnic table? Oh, Victoria's going somewhere. It's okay. Be a big girl, sit at the table. Mama does not need French fry, thank you though. Are you dancing, Victoria? Are you the dancing queen as you eat? Elizabeth, what are you doing? You guys find the hole in the table, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? I know. Victoria, are you dancing again? Daddy's in Fargo. Working. So we're having one of our favorite meals when Daddy's gone. Say cheeseburger and fries. Uh-huh. You guys are both dancing quite a bit, aren't you? Well, we have our new easel up. Show, kitchen, TV. Mommy attempting supper. Notice, without bibs, it's bath night.